All right, so the Air Secure test is the secure browser. When scholars access it, they're going to select their state. There's only one assessment program that's available. After that, they're going to click to go to the practice or training test. That's what they're going to use in order to check out all the tools that are available. From there, they can keep it on guest user and guest session unless teachers want to create a training session, which we could talk about later. Once that session has, once that screen has been selected, they're going to select high school and then find the math test. Here's where you should take some time to have scholars familiarize themselves with the tools that are available. As you can see, the first few sets are for special accommodations, so you'll want to turn all of those off if they're on. After that, you'll see the section that says General Testing Resources. That's the stuff that's available to all scholars, so that's what you should focus on. Obviously, they're going to have a calculator. They will have a Desmos calculator that's available, as well as editing tools for any other text that's available. So make sure the scholars actually press play on the sound check, otherwise it will not work. After that, they will have to go ahead and scroll down and find the continue button on their screen. And then they're going to have a chance to look back at the help guide and back at the test settings if they want to have some background information on that. It shows you, as you can see, some visuals about where to find each of the tools. It might be a good idea to pause there and just discuss how to access the calculator and the notepad and everything else. So once you press continue, the app is going to lock the iPad into the secure browser. They'll have to press OK on that. It's just like the computers locking the computers into the secure browser. And then you're going to enter the math test. So there's a number of questions that are available in the training segment, and you can go through as many or as few of them as you want to. You can go through the entire training test, or you can just do a selection together as a class, individually, as a group, whatever you want to just familiarize scholars with how to use the tools, how to use the on-screen keyboard, how to use the calculator, and so on. Just keep in mind that in order to get to the next question, you have to enter an answer, whether it's an answer that's correct because you work it out, or an answer that you select just so that you can see what additional questions look like. All right, so let me know if you have any questions.